Welcome to GRANOGI. We design gear to bring comfort to all life's adventures. And this is the mat you take everywhere, designed to provide the most comfortable experience outdoors. It's compact and foldable, ready for any day pack. It offers a lightweight construction, which makes it easy to carry on any hike. Protect your elbows, knees, head, and hands as you check out the view, expand and stretch, and strike a pose. Made from high-quality, eco-friendly material, it's durable and tear-resistant on even the harshest of elements. With your backing, we'll continue our mission of designing high-quality products you can truly take anywhere. Share our project and get outdoors.